Attention, viens. Allez, viens. Viens, allez, viens, viens,
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome to another vlog. We are officially on vacation. Yes, we are on vacation. There he is. Come on. We are officially on vacation, and we're on vacation for 3 weeks, and right now we are in Paris. We are staying at one of hubby's auntie. Come, Papa. We're staying at one of hubby's auntie tonight and tomorrow, so we can get to the airport early Monday morning. And yeah, it will be easier for us than to leave home, which would have been 2 hours away. So we're closer to the airport here, and as you can see, I'm around the back in the garden. She has such a beautiful garden around here. So the auntie and her husband is actually gone on the road to get us pizza and stuff for dinner, so they'll be back in a few. And yeah, we're just here chilling, and we're excited to go on vacation. And Tyler surprisingly haven't cried seeing auntie, so that's a good thing. I hope he doesn't cry when he see mommy. No. Look at Tyler. Yeah, look at Tyler. So we're just here enjoying the chilly breeze in Paris. Surprisingly, it's not so hot as home 2 hours away. It's kind of a bit chilly and windy here. You're supposed to can hear it in the camera, but it's all good. We're just chilling with them until Monday. We leave for that dreaded 14-hour flight. We have a stopover in Philly and then off to Texas, and I'm so excited to see mommy. So we're just gonna hang out and enjoy some family time, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.
crabe quand
Il serre la pince, ouais, ça serait peut-être, ça serait pas mal, ouais. C'est ça?
Ça doit être
Réponse,
ça,
ouais.
ouais. Là, j'ai eu la même sauce de nos sushis. Comment c'est?
Oui, les mêmes qui reviennent assez vite. Hein.
Oui, à mon avis, ils n'en ont pas beaucoup. Et puis, ils ont un petit contrat avec, avec Carambar.
Tyler has been walking and we've been trying to catch him on camera.
Ah, attention, viens. Allez, viens.